Welcome back to Xciting Machines. Today, we're diving into the world of mind-blowing magnetic inventions you absolutely must see. From levitating gadgets and powerful magnetic tools to futuristic magnetic tech that defies gravity. These creations are not just cool, they're revolutionary. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just love discovering jaw-dropping innovations, this video is packed with surprises that will leave you amazed. So buckle up and get ready to explore the magnetic magic that's reshaping our world. Number 1. Magnetic Ride Control. Magnetic Ride Control (MRC) is an advanced suspension system that enhances vehicle handling, ride comfort, and overall driving experience by using magnetoreological fluid and real-time sensors. Unlike traditional suspension systems that rely on mechanical valves and springs, MRC uses shock absorbers filled with a fluid that contains tiny magnetic particles. When an electric current is applied, the fluid's viscosity changes almost instantly, allowing the system to adapt to changing road conditions in real time. This technology provides a seamless balance between a smooth, comfortable ride and responsive, performance-oriented handling. Originally developed by Delphi and first introduced in Cadillac models, magnetic ride control has since been adopted by other high-performance vehicles, including models from Chevrolet, Ferrari, and Audi. MRC continuously monitors road conditions and vehicle behavior through sensors that make adjustments up to 1,000 times per second, ensuring optimal damping force is applied to each wheel. Number 2. Navale Magnetic Boots. Navale magnetic boots are a cutting-edge innovation designed to aid astronauts and professionals working in low-gravity or zero-gravity environments, such as outer space or space stations. These specialized boots use powerful electromagnets embedded in their soles to create a magnetic connection with metallic surfaces, allowing the wearer to walk, stand, or maintain stability in environments where traditional footwear would offer no grip. In space, microgravity makes it difficult to stay grounded, often requiring astronauts to use handrails or straps to remain stationary. Navale magnetic boots solve this problem by giving astronauts a way to walk naturally on ferromagnetic surfaces like the floors of spacecraft. The electromagnets can be turned on or off depending on when traction is needed, providing both mobility and safety. These boots are particularly useful during maintenance tasks, scientific experiments, or any activity requiring precise positioning. Beyond their applications in space, researchers are also exploring the use of magnetic boots for industrial settings, such as underwater construction, shipbuilding, or environments with challenging terrain where magnetic adherence to metal structures could enhance safety and efficiency. The boots are designed to be lightweight yet durable, and their magnetic force can be finely controlled to ensure comfort and ease of movement. As space exploration continues to advance, innovations like the Navale magnetic boots are essential for supporting human mobility in extreme environments, offering a practical solution for tasks that demand stability in places where gravity can no longer be relied upon. Number 3. SAE J2954. SAE J2954 is a groundbreaking standard developed by the Society of Automotive Engineers, SAE, for wireless power transfer, WPT, for electric vehicles, EVs. It outlines the protocols, safety requirements, and technical specifications needed to enable efficient and standardized wireless charging between a ground-based charging pad and a receiver unit mounted on the underside of the EV. The goal of SAE J2954 is to create a convenient and user-friendly charging experience by eliminating physical cables and plugs. Instead, the system uses electromagnetic fields to transfer energy over a short distance, typically a few inches, using resonant inductive coupling. This allows drivers to simply park over a charging pad to begin recharging their vehicle, with no need to manually connect any equipment. The standard ensures interoperability between different automakers and charging system manufacturers, paving the way for universal wireless charging infrastructure. SAE J2954 supports power transfer levels up to 11 kilowatts, sufficient for overnight residential charging and many public or fleet applications. Higher power levels for faster charging are also being explored under this evolving standard. Safety is a key component. with features to detect foreign objects, ensure correct alignment, and prevent electromagnetic interference. Vehicles and charging systems certified under SAE 2954 undergo rigorous testing to ensure they meet performance, safety, and efficiency requirements. As EV adoption grows, SAE 2954 is a major step forward in making electric mobility more convenient, paving the way for a future where wireless charging becomes as effortless as pulling into a parking spot. Number 4. TK Elevator. TK Elevator, formerly known as ThyssenKrupp Elevator, is a global leader in the elevator, escalator, and moving walkway industry. Headquartered in Düsseldorf, Germany, TK Elevator became an independent company in 2020 after being spun off from the ThyssenKrupp Group. The company has a strong presence in over 100 countries and is known for its innovative vertical transportation solutions designed for both commercial and residential buildings. TK Elevator focuses on enhancing urban mobility through cutting-edge technologies, safety features, and energy-efficient systems. One of its most groundbreaking innovations is the multi-system, the world's first rope-free elevator that moves both vertically and horizontally using magnetic levitation technology, similar to maglev trains. This allows for multiple cabins to operate within the same shaft, significantly increasing efficiency and reducing waiting times in high-rise buildings. In addition to elevators, TK Elevator manufactures advanced escalators and moving walks, which are widely used in airports, shopping centers, transit stations, and stadiums. The company also provides maintenance, modernization, and digital monitoring services to ensure reliability and safety across its installations. With its cloud-based predictive maintenance platform, MAX, TK Elevator uses real-time data and artificial intelligence to anticipate problems before they occur, minimizing downtime and improving service efficiency. As urban populations grow and buildings become taller and more complex, TK Elevator plays a vital role in shaping the future of mobility within cities, prioritizing sustainability, accessibility, and smart technologies to meet the evolving needs of modern infrastructure. Number 5. Electromagnetic Railgun. The electromagnetic railgun is a powerful next-generation weapon system that uses electromagnetic force rather than chemical explosives to launch projectiles at incredibly high speeds. Unlike traditional guns that rely on gunpowder, the railgun uses electricity to generate a magnetic field between two parallel rails, propelling a conductive projectile at speeds exceeding Mach 6, over 4,500 miles per hour. This immense velocity allows the projectile to reach distant targets in a fraction of the time and deliver devastating kinetic energy without the need for explosive warheads. Developed primarily for military applications, particularly by the U.S. Navy and defense contractors, the railgun is designed to enhance long-range strike capabilities while reducing the cost per shot and minimizing the logistical challenges of storing explosive munitions. One of the key advantages of the electromagnetic railgun is its potential for increased safety and operational efficiency. Since it fires solid metal slugs without explosives, there is less risk of accidental detonation and reduced weight in ammunition storage. Additionally, its high speed makes it highly effective against fast-moving threats, such as missiles or aircraft. However, the railgun also presents significant engineering challenges, such as the need for extremely high electrical power, heat management, and material durability under intense magnetic forces. Despite these obstacles, ongoing advancements in power storage, material science, and pulse-forming networks continue to bring the railgun closer to practical deployment. As research progresses, the electromagnetic railgun stands as a symbol of the future of warfare, offering precision, power, and revolutionary design without relying on traditional propellants. Thanks for watching Xciting Machines. We hope you were amazed by these incredible magnetic inventions that are changing the game. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more jaw-dropping tech and futuristic gadgets. There's a lot more coming your way, so don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest uploads. Until next time, keep exploring the world of innovation with Xciting Machines.